Okay, chat. It's our first time going to Wits.
Yes, sir.
Like in the universities as a Cape Town, I mean, I live Wits. I don't want to lie, chat.
Damn, chat.
Uber on the phone. You said Uber's
okay,
phone.
okay.
I say I'm
fit to like in the nale hallway see amba. Sa yeah.
Ay.
Ayo. Why? Why are you panicking? Why?
Ngicela yiyo positive.
Now you Uber ke yabo xa siba 2 wenza Uber right kodwa xa siba ninzi bese uyenzi.
I call it up to me nje ngihlale back. It is not up to me nje kufana.
Up to ban.
It's up to like Aibo. Up to Uber by caretaker.
No.
We're gonna show this side. Come on.
We are streaming.
Is it right for Sean? Ne? Poison.
Yeah, man.
That's his best interview yet.
And fail to like yeah like akasikhole kuyo ngathi imagumza.
Yabona incela lo wethu uyazi job ngithanda yiba like
You can yeah.
Tell this class sasekapa ku.
30.
Bo.
Huh?
Hayi jiki.
Ah, that's a dope song, bro.
That's a dope song, bro.
I don't CPC Sentinel.
Things feel bro, but it's fine. And as we in Sentin, this is our 1 week in Joburg actually, yeah, so chat, if you're not consistent, try to understand.
We're still adapting to the place.
We're still trying to adjust, but so really Cape Town now, Joe. There's a lot of gigs that are waiting for us in Cape Town.
There's need gigs in Cape Town. Damn.
Not even Cape Town, it's the Western Cape, Eastern Cape.
Yeah.
Mr.
Bully, yes.
Festival. Beko enyi Mossel Bay.
Yeah.
So kufleke like travel kakhulu. So tala next week's gonna be a lot of traveling, yabo. But I'll try to stream. Now again the streamer.
Yeah.
Alright. But go sometimes goes in now it's a struggle-ish. But yeah, tell me if the quality is good. Do you fuck with the quality, chat?
Shit.
Like you see the idea abantu basiya university.
Yeah.
When you drop out here so funa your Spanish university.
Funa yobona ba Faith correct University life, bro.
Ithi lonke uphinde ubuyele kuyo for like a sign.
Andifuna ukubuyela kuyo but ndifuna ukubona iskill at least la feel ba shit. And yabo
la ku base base ke university shit and I understand a lot here point. I don't want to lie.
Chat mamelani.
Hila also my forget izinto zalapha ngathi ngibukela the queen.
Yeah, ngathi siku the queen okanye ya.
Kamenza umbonisa nje esistado sinyuka kuso ngoku. Wo jonga le phone kajonga nezinto chat. Wo palm trees. Maestrato. Yabo abantu bayasibhala eJoburg, I don't want to lie. People
are working. So, and ngabantu abamnyama fisa fumanise kubanga.
Nandithanda lo ngicala. Like Cape Town, I feel like inabantu aba-white that are taking over.
Like Cape Town, yeah. Umuntu omnyama akakwazi like una
jonga le mention yabo. Who's your cousin?
ABG.
So the guy, you know that song, Ransom Naira?
Oh, that's your cousin. The Lima was a job. Ela chat it job in the
Rand okay.
Uyakwazi uba like ebe mall or bonbona chaza
kungiyaqoka kanti
nyanya like job ngilalo ko izolo bese so wait bone famous basketball player. This is bass. He like makes music.
Excuse me?
This is bass. He makes music.
Who, him?
Yeah, him.
Oh. Makes music.
Yes.
He's a hot rapper.
Ah, really?
Yes.
Okay. There's one of my producers one time. His name is MSC. I don't know if you've heard of him.
Who?
MSC.
He's an
MSC.
MSC.
You
must Google him. You'll find out who MSC is.
Okay.
Maybe me like I haven't heard of him, but
He's a big guy.
but then me like I only know Drake. I swear, bro.
You only know who?
Drake.
Who's Drake?
He's a Drake fan.
Drizzy.
Drake.
Aubrey Graham.
OVO.
The king of Canada. The king of hip hop. The one that charted the charts in all countries. Yes. At any given day.
What are you drinking?
Casper cannot drop 3 albums and then chart all of them at the same time. I'm drinking everything that like Drake drinks. I drink everything Drake drinks.
You drink everything Drake drinks?
Yes.
You take...
Yes. Everything. Drake for life.
This guy is not normal. Your chat, you must hear the guy. He was telling me
Bro, Fetu.
They move, Fetu. Can you
You can't take Drake over Casper, even if Drake is better than Casper, then this is your brother.
Eh?
Are you okay? Pick Drake over Casper.
Drake is better. Casper's better than Drake.
Because Drake
Ah,
is better than
fit,
Casper.
ah,
I'm
you
not
get
saying
conversation.
from our
Ah,
perspective,
Kwaza,
you
because
can't
you ain't gonna
pick
talk
an
about
American Canadian over your own brother. Like, how does that?
Casper's not my brother.
South African.
No, Casper's not my brother. I don't even know Casper's mother. Or I don't even know Casper.
You know
Yes.
Drake's mother?
Yes.
You've seen Drake's mother?
Sandra.
You've seen her? You've met her?
I met her. I've seen her. I've watched everything that she posts. I consume everything that lady does. Bro, imagine Casper over Drake.
Ah, fit, but you can do it.
I'm not saying
Bro,
Casper is better than
look,
Drake. There is no
look.
way Casper is better than Drake. I'm just saying you have to support your own.
I feel your
I
pain.
won't pick Drake over Wizkid. Even if Drake is better than Wizkid, I
Yeah.
won't pick Drake over Davido. Never in my life. I will pick Davido before I pick Drake.
You
That is to show you how.
okay?
Bro, Susan
Okay.
Yancy
Okay.
looks
Look, if you're talking about supporting our people and my brother, I'm supporting my brother right here next to me. He's an artist.
So will you pick Drake over your brother?
Definitely.
Yes, I'm yes,
Even he would pick Drake over
Don't cheat that. So, I want to just care.
Yes, jail on.
I care.
Yes, jail. Chat Nina, would you pick Drake or Casper? Like, come on, chat. Chat Drake or Casper, chat. I need only like Drake or Casper, chat. Come on.
Yes.
You must try to collaborate with other people if you are streaming.
Yes, we do. We have a lot of streamer friends,
You know
bro.
Kata Ife, the one from Nigeria.
Yes, we know him.
Yeah, we know him.
You must link up. man.
Okay, give us connection to Carter.
You have a passport.
Yes. Fuck.
Liberty ID, fuck,
What
Sean.
is that?
No,
What ID?
yeah, man, because we're supposed to have an ID.
Get in there.
But so my picture, boy.
You don't have your ID on your phone.
But then why do varsities in Joburg need ID? My varsity you can walk in and out.
And he's a student.
Into you got Joburg CBD ikhame lapha. Fanele apha ifoni kuthiwa iqhwiyo hayi apha and visitor. Bo. Oh hayi. Bo.
Whoa. Rosebank. Whoa.
Wait. Are we in Rosebank or Joburg?
Joburg. This is Joburg. Rosebank.
Yeah, Rosebank.
Hayi Rosebank iphakathi
Okay, it's
sentence.
just a fika. Damn.
You guys are not staying in Joburg.
Now we're from Cape.
No, we are from Cape Town.
From Cape Town.
Yes. Cape Town nigga. Bo. Nigga ro.
And I to pay Kim.
Accuse after is a store. Fanele kuthiwa apha xa sobiza Uber uflete either ungene emotweni okanye ume
But go to Melville though. I think we're safe.
Yeah.
What the
Chat is Melville or Joburg? Which one is safe?
This is Brantford.
Okay, Bram or Melville, which one is safe?
Both of them are safe.
Okay,
Both
all
of them are safe.
Yeah. Rosebank.
Yeah, it's a park what you know.
It's better.
I eat roast beef when someone sent in.
Okay, that's one. No phone. Don't get inside, no.
Huh?
We have to call
Where are
first.
you going to? Whose side?
I think.
Is this one?
Hey, you can pack it this time.
Okay, can you park somewhere so that we can call? Cause me, I'm not gonna get out like this, bro.
Damn. I like Joe Peck and the feelings.
Turn right onto Bertha Street, then use the
Like
right
a born
lane
in
to
Joe,
turn
like
right
so.
onto
Ngamakwala kanti. Where's ngamakwala for your
Ah,
car?
fundini like hayi bo. Phandle kuba singamagwalo okanye tin but like move kanjani like how
Yeah.
do you move like siyaphisa kuliphi
Yeah, boy, Cherry City L song. Yeah, it's L song, chat.
so
L song, chat.
It's blocked, my man.
It's L song.
block
chat.
so
You can see. The road is
The
blocked.
data, they
okay, yeah, I
don't
see
It's L song,
use
chat.
the right lane to turn right onto Dincourt Street.
No,
So-
tell me just to drop a garage.
Yeah.
you
What
Bro.
is it?
You're gonna drop us a garage.
I thought you said something about dropping at the garage.
No,
go
we
to
were
the
saying,
stop,
I
go to
hope
the
you're
stop.
not
Thank
gonna.
God the place is closed. You can see the blockage there.
Okay, wait, we're gonna
Bro,
call
I.
Frank pa.
If you take us home, I'm not gonna get out of the CBT like
Nobody's
this.
dropping you off on the CB. Relax,
Okay,
my man.
sorry.
How will I drop you here?
Relax, man, now.
Choose to relax.
Ndithetha nale P50 man.
And kuthwa ngoku iPhone abe ngathi khangibekho.
In 300 meters, turn right onto Indrat Street.
Yo, abachiri apha.
Okay. Just park somewhere, we're gonna call someone.
Filo yonke le.
You feel?
Bo. Why is it dark in the street?
Oh, Lulu.
Once it quality takes, if you're
taxi.
comfortable, like
In
yours.
100 meters, make a U-turn.
It's a
at
say
Smith
up
Street.
Vits, boy.
Fit.
Make
So
a
says
U-turn
a
at
Vits.
Smith Street, then turn left onto DeCourt Street.
What? Lacha Vits.
Turn left onto Henry Street, then turn left onto Smith Street.
Base ngapha kwegate.
Okay. Yeah, injani le university like
Yabo ma push it through. Bo.
yeah. Hey, apha eJoburg yeah.
Paranoid.
Yeah, please on the down.
Turn left onto Smith Street,
But
then
that's
turn
still the
left
same
onto
thing. Like
Smith Street.
if you visit here, so if we go now, it's like
Then use the left lane
now
to turn right
gated,
onto
sure.
Dorset Street.
Yeah, jonga fit why. And the one balapha bayahamba normally. Students alapha zihamba kwezitrato zimnyama fit.
as party for.
Yeah, as party for.
Usakhumula kuzublupha abafana ifaka amasending.
I thought are you using the...
I would a double driver fit.
But it's
Yeah,
Tabela
yeah.
Kepa Kuma.
Yeah, careful driver.
You try fly careful like at least sometimes.
Okay.
They all sound the same, they do, bro, I swear.
Yeah?
You check, they all sound the same.
Bro.
Usuna.
Oh yeah, it's Suno. Okay, if let's exercise this student, they have a training, Sean.
Okay. Practice first. Jonga, ka walk as a student. Flex by to tiki in life. So 1, 2, 3, yeah. And then bangal like uphethe incwadi. Manje uphethe incwadi.
Okay.
Of ifone yo.
Ila singena phi.
Bangathi ikaka yomnu. Hey chat, I want to show you. Yeah, we are in Witwatersrand, University of Witwatersrand. W University.
Beat Bacchus, no. Tina come.
It is Witwatersrand, boy.
University of the what? Yeah. Yeah.
Now it's called University.
University, yes.
Waterfront.
What the fuck?
Ngathi for University of Waterfront.
Yeah. University is a waterfront. Okay, sure. Okay, rate the university chat njani?
Yeah, chat rated out of 10 so far.
Sona kwecanga.
Yeah, you know. Chat inika how much rating?
Yeah, by rate ba.
What's out? Oh, chat.
Okay, nasa space aside. Talk safe up. Damn, chat.
You feel safe, boy?
And feel safe. Ingxaki seqala ukuphuma seyithola hlobo eJoburg like kungekhomba esihamba naye yazi iJoburg.
Yeah.
Base lo siphuma nomuntu oyazi iJoburg. Ngoku
Yabo ku crime scene lapha sana bakwenzeka no.
yeah. Hayi lo mna mthinga.
Blita.
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 Yela bathethe enye language amana ngangayivi.
Blita fethu. As a student.
Uyangirata na.
Khawuleza.
Uyangirata.
Base khawuleza.
Fethu.
Babe phone here camera.
Yeah?
Babe phone.
Okay.
I'll say good.
Yeah, okay.
Fethu.
Fethu. I have to stand on business when saskila. Kwathi ekhaya man ngaplita skill. I don't plait at school.
Jola kudala wena. Akhupha ngapha kwegate, fanele ucotha. Ah. Yo, uyoza ke bangasokoli
Joe.
Angazi fethu.
Bona mfundini ba when I touch down uyayazi ba
Nigga sickly.
ngizokubuza umbuzo onzima. So about the test we were writing yesterday,
Yeah.
how did you do?
Actor like kukho i-crowd apha besitude engoku siyacomplain aba uNSFAS uphuma kade. Sifuna uNSFAS aphume
Makade ne?
nge-big weekend.
Okay. Guys, relax.
Yeah.
Bangxola. Relax guys, relax, guys. Relax, okay. Let me
Njengobuza uyozo. Alo like i-crowd ifethu like
yabona ngiqalaphi into
i-crowd.
uCrowns amxelela umuntu yabo iqalaphi ke ikaka like ikaka ke ngone uthitha. Yabo then phina ngibuyele be December.
Base basendakho. I-crowd.
Yabo so ndithi ke ngo no, listen guys. We are here to learn.
Yeah.
And in order for us to really pass and graduate,
Yeah.
we need to be hungry.
Yes.
You have to have hunger.
Imangapho kokwenze bekubhele semvelo. Okanye khwela phapho izinto. Like
Yeka neyazi le nto.
sure.
We have to be proud
Yes.
of ourselves.
Yes.
We have to respect.
Umbi?
No, relax. Hela after pendula nyani kaka ku crowd. Mba hela kancane. We have to respect ourselves.
Yes.
NSFAS doesn't matter
At all.
at all. If you came here to learn, you know that hunger is the future.
Yeah, base for president. Base for president.
Hunger is the way.
So now, if
Hunger.
so now, question. So now, if NSFAS akasinika lento sifunayo, sizayifuna phi imali? Because fika cash out deal, fika
Bro, it's Joburg. People
Yeah.
are, girls are selling. You can be a prostitute. You
That's
can
a
go
good idea.
rap. You can be a streamer. You can
Yes.
go anywhere you want. As long as you're still hungry at school, it's good. You can go outside and make money,
Yes.
do whatever,
Yes.
but not in school. You must come here hungry.
But ndilame ngoku nje, ndilame my whole life.
Yes.
Ndigoduke ekhaya ndilambile.
Yes, you see.
Sahlutha nini?
You see, that's the real deal there. Be hungry.
Yes.
You'll be hungry for books. Be
Yes.
hungry for books. Come here empty, with an empty stomach.
Icherry, ayifuni umuntu hungry.
No.
Ibhedi asifuni umuntu hungry.
We came here to
Everybody-
learn, not to date, guys.
Enza ndifuna ndilambile.
We came here to learn. Not. Ndingalunga boy, kanixelele boy.
Awalunga,
Alo ndine
boy.
respect ne.
Uyazama.
And angcoli fetha apha like.
This side or this side?
Hello.
Okay, hello, guys.
How are
Njani?
you?
Jesse.
Hi,
Okay, Molo
Essie.
Essie.
I'm Sean.
Hi, Sean.
I'm based,
This
no?
is Base. How are you also?
Hi, well, you don't know Sean.
Hello. How are you?
So, Sean, okay,
You
guys.
don't
Neither
even
was
come
it-
in.
I wasn't told guys to say it.
Because these guys, as the influencers, you must if you Ivy. Go lapha evetini. So guys, benibuzile uSean babangeza na uSean one miser. Mina angikwazi ukuthi hayi. So
Mama,
like, guys,
ngeza,
you can come.
Okay.
So I think they're gonna be the one to suggest what you do. Maybe we should get food here in Ram or something.
Yeah.
But uqala siyobeka ibhegi zethu.
You see now.
Well,
Sizofuna
sibalenzile.
ufunda thina.
Sizofuna nani?
As long as okay.
Great.
Yeah, wait.
Hey, take us to the library.
Okay, let's go to
Yeah.
the library to put
Usean.
Ima also.
Okay, Usean libele ID yakhe.
It's fine.
Okay.
Okay. Say live the chat. Let's go.
Ingani ndisi student. Like ingani ndisi student. Cela upaka.
Nikupaka wala plele yini. Cela
Wow,
upaka.
incwadi ezingakhe basithi nandifathi incwadi eyi-1.
Asingenile.
Hi chat.
Asingenile.
Ngenile wa.
Yo,
Wa! Ugqirha na ingqayitana ndifuna bangigqirha yabo so.
yeah man.
Apply no apply sibe sibe
Yebo
in.
ngifanele uba ayela student.
Yima ngicela ubonise mina mfethu.
Graham.
Injani?
Graham, this is yo. Order on 1,000.
Ba.
Order on 1,000.
Eh ay joke. So guys, a bone can dislocate.
Okay, guys.
Yima ngicela
Even if you can walk here, but
I-
okay, but
nobody-
can I ask like why don't you guys like the camera?
kodwa yo seyivelile lo so akana choice.
Let's see you also like. Ukulele post for nini? Ipicture iku 5,000 likes. Awufuna uvela camera.
Ubonile rinka yozo.
Divanile sani promising.
Injani?
Ima are you closer?
I am. They're
Suka
coming.
Okay.
This is my
Namsuke
boyfriend.
Ukumike
I'll
njalo.
feel them. Can I get to know you more?
Tell us the professional though.
Yeah, I will.
You'll get to know me more.
Izapha.
Oh, the stream. Okay. Am I gonna expect any surprises from you?
The main red entrance, guys.
Okay.
Maybe main first.
Nansi main res entrance.
Ima-
Ekhumbula le ndawo yiyo le.
Hey,
Lena ndapaka up.
Yours are Imaku safer?
very safe.
What's your
Besama
try?
nomnye driver besitsho sham.
This is where students live. Like the accommodations on the air, so it's safe.
Okay, asingini ID.
Oh.
Let's pretend as a student.
Yeah, for
Okay.
I can
Yeah. Akho yila, amaphindi uthi yila.
Yeah, Koi. Ima also.
Kayeke, uthetha language right apha.
Ima upper like
Oh, and guys,
which
oh,
language
wait,
was?
wait. Greeting is mandatory. When you see like a male, you say hello malume. When you see
Malume.
Kabani.
Malume.
Okay. Malume kabani. Okay.
Ana malume man.
Serious. Akungolwa.
Ana malume no university.
Okay.
Ngene ngabo. Bo, imapa kus. Ita skele fingerprints. Bo. Yela, face ibona kuvula nje swipe isandla nje.
Inside.
Yela siphakade vets boy. Siphakade vets.
Hey guys, you need to really work hard in life
Yebo.
to get to this point.
Yebo.
Lesikuyo.
Yebo.
Not bonke abantu bayafika. Okay, now italk it's it.
But
Don't
talk
tell chat bafuna work really hard. Okay, Friday sizobukela iVarsity Cup.
Idlalelwa phi match?
Idlalwa phi?
Fixture. I don't know. I think the thing is at that side. At the end of Portland.
Oh,
Okay, Besajo chat. If you wanna be like us and make it to
Funa
Vits,
kusebenza kakhulu. Okay.
phela ngicabanga 6 ekseni.
Yeah.
Ikhona nayo charge mospa.
Yeah.
Akusifuna lo
Ufuna
Ufuna-
nyana cho sizothatha knowledge.
Wow. Akusifuna sukubonga. Chat ibalekile ufuna. Besajo if you wanna be like us make it to Vits.
Make sure that you study hard like he.
Uthandaze.
Speak nje apha.
Ungajoli. Like yo,
Asebenzile.
do you know how much work? Ikhona Wi-Fi lapha? Ifast.
Yeke sha. Okay, yeah.
Okay, kasifike lo naso kuwe so khona Wi-Fi.
Okay. You know what? Okay, wait. You know layer yo.
Parking lot. Oh,
You know? Oh yeah. Oh, so,
Region Center.
okay.
oh,
The
region.
bus stop. The buses come every 15 minutes.
Every 15.
Oh, sikhona nani?
Every 15.
I-shuttle sikhona nani lapha ku-
Shuttle is every 15 minutes. Wow.
Cape Town every hour.
Lindy
Ah,
hour.
but good is every 30 minutes, but every hour most.
But hour man.
Kutheni yellow kodwa ivethi green.
No. Our colors are yellow and navy.
I checked. Rate this bus.
Ningabapho.
Le bus is Cape Town. I think it's better.
Yeah.
I swear.
You can see it's empty because there's buses coming every now and then. Not shuttles immediately there.
Okay. Oh, yeah, khama ngathi down. Yani yabo khama silethu benje.
Yeah. Ibengathi like indawo like.
And I hope I hope kan lapha ba.
Guys, xa sethenga ukutya mos wekutala.
Well, inhlota le cameras chill, I'm not gonna lie. Inhle le cameras. This is a nice campus chat.
Chat ndisebenzile ukuze ndifika apha.
Yo, fethu.
Ndikhumbula fe ndifunda cross night jo. And mina ndingumuntu ozithanda incwadi so.
Kakhulu
I always
yabona
make
ukuxoxa phaka wakho yonke
I always
nayo.
make sure ba xa ufika eVets ndanephupha lofika apha ndisemncinci. So ngondilapha. Molo malungu nangumalungu. Malume. Malume wami.
Hina siqala nje sibuse sasathi malume kodwa kakasiwoyi nje malume.
Kanti friend kanti.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you every meal first sibuse malume.
Oh. Malume. Hey mnandi the way mnandi.
Oh man,
Malume mfowethu.
Kayeka malume.
Malume wami wena.
Bese seyeke kayeka.
Oh khayeka sibili.
Plus no lewe no hela no.
Okay. Funa sithi
Imnandi le nto.
Imnandi
Side
le
is
nto.
more fun.
Nabo malume abaningi.
Yo malume
Come
abaninzi
back
man.
this side.
Okay.
Malume.
Malume.
Guys, no.
The wonke umuntu.
Blend.
Malume. Funa vets.
Kaka komalume.
Funa vets man.
Connect to break Wi-Fi. I don't know what's going on. Let's find Wi-Fi.
Ek usifuna vets funa kayeka.
Okay.
Funa kuthi.
Malume.
Yima funa kubamba.
Thini malume.
Yeah? Hawu malume wami nasho.
Kuthuthe ngiqapha
Thina xa
kahle.
besibiza funa ngathi Godman.
That's the good man.
Yeah, good man.
Yeah, I see. Working hard for Baba good man.
Like not molo malume.
Uthini?
Sawubona malume.
Oh sawubona. Sawubona udumelanga.
In fact, you have to buy no mama mbulisa ifle kumanga.
Ima ifemale thina.
Sawubona ma. Oh sawubona.
Sawubona ma.
Sawubona ma. Sabona
respect
malume.
akubuildwa
This is CCD, you on depression is up.
Bo accuse
ayivulwanga.
imeans bayivulwanga
Doesn't
fethu.
even work to drink water honestly.
hayi fethu wasela amanzi
Hayi, ilona
That's why
istude.
uqhuma ngapha
Ngapha kwegate.
ngapha uqhuma ngapha phele la
Yela ima so yours apha uza xa ofeel ngathi depressed and
Yeah.
ingqondo yakho ayifocus.
You're not okay, you are
Sabona malume.
Samalu so yo shit
This is Flower Hall. This is the second most it's the second most beautiful building in Africa. It won awards for being the second most beautiful building.
why
in Africa.
Why?
Like you want from the back and you want from the
As long as you want.
It's built like a flower.
cela ubona oh
Ujikela njani
phezulu.
xa
Flower.
Ingathi flower, it's a flower hall.
Hey.
Like ingathi flower literally.
Like-
It's the second most
Like star bread.
Like architecture buildings in Africa. It's the second most like Ntswam building in Africa.
okay
Wow.
I think you need the mic
No.
Awuyezihamba
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
nje
okay.
ngiyakwazi nje ndazibona nje.
Ngiyakwazi.
sikve bo hayi hayi ke nangu
This is
Malume lo.
Okay.
And wonke umuntu uyafail obhala apha like you fail.
Why?
It's an example.
Boy,
why
wolo lakho ile.
abanokwazi unizama
39
How
actually.
29?
Uthethini hell.
Like it's obhala phasi ufana like 39% ku-test 29% is
ngethakathwa apha musa why
Ayifethi kubomvu boy like.
Okay, this is the science stadium.
hayi inhlele
It's called the
wefi
science stadium.
hayi inhle kune UCT uzangiphikisa
This is the massive
like the
science
building bro okay
Choose.
let's glaze
I don't want to talk numbers, but the number one university in Africa,
No,
YP
babe,
Yoza.
it's VET, my love. VET is number 1 in Africa.
Yoza.
VET is number 1 in Africa. It has been voted. It's been voted number 1.
Vote ngubani?
No, not by us, by International Chamber of Universities, like umhlaba wonke. And ingu 1% in the world. UCT 1.2%. So we are 0.2% better than you.
Give me proof and
The
believe.
chemistry
man.
okay chemistry la wena ndiyenza
But you know, UCT jiki nje like we have a Mustang, a Ferrari like.
That's the official board.
Whoa.
This is the science stadium. Come sit this side.
Boy, inhlele now. Damn.
damn
Damn.
Okay, there's chargers after that in case you haven't noticed.
xa kunetha ke ngoku
Science, what
That's a net good
This is
question.
the science stadium. So, biology lab, chem lab, physics lab, biology lab, then the class.
man lost
There's a vending machine if you want us to grab a drink.
Of like
Vending machine.
okay
asifuna ukutya.
yini
Idrink was it?
So, yeah, like African.
Oh, so ezwede like waterproof.
yeah
But you're going to charge and then there's
Boy,
No.
khuphi laptop yakho charge.
hayi la mfuna kube serious xa ulapha jonga fethu abantu balapha fethu abangxoli andiyazi uyoza yini
I don't leave. Yeah. You can chill here after class. I love chilling here. The grass is so nice.
But
And yeah, buy a cleaner every day.
But kuyagcwala up after class.
But we don't go 1:30 because that's when the labs end. So everyone just yeah.
Okay, masami.
ya masami
Let's go.
Let's move.
zanda lost ebomini bamuhlo
Confused ngo.
Sana ku-lost mina kodwa ndifunda apha.
Sanofika leyo la chu.
ufunda apha
Okanye la chu mi oswayanga isikolo uya nje classini uphinde uphume.
jonga shona fethu kuncokolwa apha
Yo, yathula. Like yabo.
ngumuntu
Abantu
obhizinisi
basirious
ekwazi
bro.
into ongakwazi uyafika hlala ecankwakho khuphi laptop
Angafeel.
Angafeel.
Ihlele building.
so ke ngoku
Yeah, it's the mathematical science.
Medical science
nje
building.
fuhlala
Yeah, look, it's a science stadium. So in Impression Stadium.
oh
It's
shit
a science stadium because you do chemistry, physics, biology, like all the sciences basically. Yeah.
so bayenze ezi stadium
Didn't it?
That is actually
Something
dope.
like that.
okay
Accuse. Bro, yes.
yela ininzi lo inzi kapha ndilost che
But let's catch up.
yefuna yeah umalume banga
Maluma.
ngoma
Malunga.
sabona malume
Ya kasibuso pa. Abuso ma.
sabona ma
Sabona ma.
wa
Yo,
Ama baruti.
Yeah.
masama
Awumalumza siqe student card.
akazosibuza student card oh masama sobulisa malume sabona malume thatha umalume le yaqhela
Yabo ya malume yaqhela. Amaso siqhubeke.
oh bo into le tower
Bo,
This is the tower, yeah. But kuthengisa ukutya.
ukutyela phike. Oh, ndiceba ukunyuka isteps ngikuze utye fethu.
Fethu inswambule wena okay.
Hello malume.
Mo sawubona malume.
Sawubona malume.
Kunjani malume? Siyaphila malume. Siyaphila malume, siyaphila. Saw waze wakhona ke ngikwazi ukuthetha isizulu. Waze wakhona ke manje ke malume. Uyabona ke manje.
Ngalo suthi ngibuyifuna. Oy ilelo food court.
This building is so nice inside.
Usho. Ngazi yazazi office yasebhisho.
Alizizwa ke usuyo. Clinic.
Okay.
Ima so kuyathula library.
Asingol. Asikwazi ukustream.
Asakwazi stream.
Singafundela phandle because
Ngisenza kuma iflat. No ndifuna yo charge ngani. Ima yours do you have a adapter?
yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Ima like okay uyakwazi ufuna phandle.
Yeah.
Ngikhona i-charger phandle. Ngicibile. What is it? Library.
I don't belong here.
Do we have to? Yeah.
Hey,
Come on, sikhulume.
ngifuna sithule.
Let us tool library. Because in the xaxoka ke apha live. Ngoba umuntu kanti hlele kukhona nonzathi nje.
Exam season. Come and see.
Magnet. Like abantu, there's so many people.
It's test week, in fact.
Masamshet masiqashe manje nje njengoba kwi-space stand
Okay, ngenani na
Jenzo Johnson ngale.
Hayi ngikwazi mina.
I use it to be traumatized. Ngake deep lo dali bakuye baba.
Hu. Xa kufundwa kunje kanti. Dang.
Akufundwa kunje kanti.
Ngane stress fethu mnapha. Hayi.
Hayi Kyuso, akumuntu serious on locked in. Call center man leqa for students jo.
Yena ngi-traumatized. Hayi
Ufika apho
traumatized. Wa. Hayi thoma ndisifuna isikolo ngiqibile again and again. I don't want school. Again. Yo.
Ufila njani kodwa uba lapho is like to
Happy for balapha.
are you like getting motivated to go back to school?
Fethu. Yacacisa le wena. Hayi yacacisa poison lay way.
Ecacise xa.
Like ngathi usesipani.
Ingathi feel like insathi yo. Hayi ajo nje from the window fethu.
Okay masithule so ningasithi abangcolayo.
Asinqoni nje.
Njengomina. Nomini uzawube ephi ifuso yini? Kuyoza. Siza ngcono. Yena okay you.
Kuyo that's busy.
Akucinga siphi kanti?
That's busy nyanga ne.
Bona baba lapha phana.
Ngiyabona noma cho.
Nje masam. Handi traumatized. Okay.
Okay.
Amaphakathi.
Of course because serious.
Wani traumatized. Abantu abangabafundayo. Hayi.
But most now yours uthe la apha kuvula 24 hours so abantu bahlame bahlala. Bahlala
Bethu abantu funeka bahlanga.
ayafuna olet mama yaba bandifelile ke konje nani. Ubumali
She's gonna come.
Oh.
Update abana kani ngapha sokwafunda.
Asokwazi tu ufundele live. So. At all.
Ndolinuka like kunuka ikhwapha kunuka umuntu.
Filo because abantu bahlala pha imini yonke bangaphumi.
Jo. Hayi qolo thiko wami. Asoze.
Calls and accuse.
So ufundini hayi xa ndi serious olhlobo angcono. Hayi acacisa le way. Hayi.
Angamanzi.
Chat funa nifundini nifane ne.
Kufanele siphiphi.
Wo. Uqala udone 50 ezininzi. Pipped.
Bafuna mazama le future manwana.
Jo.
Ya kakabethe ezaphoze zakudala boy. Inshallah Umlenze. Loyo mlenze.
Grela picture.
Kakaweze like loyo mlenze.
Epi.
Bakhoma level batano yenza.
Ba.
Yini
brother.
Chance yakho leba uplanning.
Yeah, yafana nini?
Azozifane nazo phone.
Yeah. So.
Like, I'm not sure because when you go back to comments and come and
Oh, sorry. Hey,
where should we wait for them?
apha ngase
Teacher Jimmy's.
kuphi apha?
Nole idofile.
I don't know what the heck that is, but maybe Baliwe somewhere.
Isandla.
Yayazi ngumuntu lona fethu.
No, sisandla manisi boy.
Ayisisandla lesi fethu.
Chatting only. Nalinyawo funa moli.
Le ngithethayo ba ngumuntu like andiyazi bayenze njani kodwa.
Somewhere where I can leave my bag. Yeah.
Okay, but it's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine. Bon bias.
Bayazi.
Oh, that's great.
Zabuya ngam. Bro, are you good, my G?
I'm telling you.
I'm good. I am Sean. Sit here, bro. Sit
Oh,
here.
yeah, sure. I'm the towel.
Le tabo.
The tabo.
Are you a content nigga?
Huh?
Are you a content nigga?
Yeah.
Did you do TikTok or what type of content do you
TikTok and Instagram.
For real?
Yeah.
Like, do you do vlogs? Like, what type of content?
I mean, I started with vlogs, everything. Like, no, I started with like chain content, like, you know, with the train and everything.
Okay.
And I started sharing vlogs, but I mean, it's not popping as much.
Yeah, I know.
So I think I'm gonna go back to.
Why
Oh,
is
shoot.
You can go with Mosvin and go.
Where is that beach place you are at or that lake place? But it's fine.
Yo, I forgot. I went with other friends.
So you club a lot. This is you.
Yeah.
Did you club a lot?
Yeah, last year I was out. I won't lie.
Everyone around just having fun.
Don't be delusional because you end up and you're making me sound like a bad person.
Yeah, see what you do.
Yeah, it's just like chain content.
This is fire, bro.
Yeah.
It's fire content.
Oh, it's not appreciated.
So, yo, where like this man?
They're my friends.
Where, bro?
Maestro.
Maestro, go.
Yeah, they're my friends. But at least I'm in Johannesburg, man.
What is your goal with content?
After our content, I want to grow into a brand ambassador. I won't lie.
Oh, don't worry. It is just on avoidance shit.
Yeah, you know,
What do you
brand
wanna
ambassador. You know,
Thai shit.
yeah. Which side do you guys come from?
That side over there.
Okay, wait.
So-
It's right down there.
And guys, Nova, are you coming with? They're gonna show us around. Uzayibamba le nkosi wakho kanye.
Ngumntu wesikolo mina siba ndiyazi nyani. So landela umaestro.
We are touring campus.
Yeah.
Ima like wonke umuntu wezi like different places are. Ba wena
Yeah,
urana.
it's not stress.
Okay, kuba no east and west no mahluko. Cause at Jozi you know east and west. If the PTAs say east or west. Kwenzeka noni?
Clever makwecala idenge nabantu bathanda.
Ufunda kayiphi?
Kweli yalimnandi.
Oh no, I'm at med school.
Oh, so yeah, like
This is
now
not
so
a
let's
territory.
go.
This ain't a territory.
Okay. Masambini ke brazam.
Alright.
So kasibonisa. DJ Khan. Oh, izana.
Student ayo.
Yabona ke nani basiyo sobubhaka nyini.
If man yakho for his partner then it's easy.
Okay, hit them up.
Sicala ngapi brother? I'm like, okay, kuphi apho? Which place are we at right now?
West Campus.
Linzi kasenzele manje.
Okay, ngubani umuntu ozoba talker ite simnike mic. Hey1.
Okay, this is the West Campus. Man. Over here on your right is FMB building. That's where your accountants are at.
Oh shoot.
For real.
Babuzile non talk.
FNB building.
Angikhumsha kakhulu ke mina ke
building.
lena FNB
Yeah.
tutorials ne lectures attend hapha ke thina.
So apho kuzabantu abafuna i-accounting.
Yeah, mostly School of Accountants. Yes.
So meaning if ufuna usipana ku bank okay, you know how to handle imali uzapha.
Not like i-venue nje le for attend.
Oh, ish.
Ezinye otherwise nezinye subjects modules I mean ziyattendwa.
Okay. and then elicala sise east or west?
This is West Campus.
West Campus for the clever ones.
Kandithethe kana.
Inxa bekhona wesiba.
Sethe ngilomfana.
Aba serious ngapha yabo.
Alicala li depressed. Elicala li depressed. Liyakonwa ki.
Depressed then.
Ali depressed nyana niqoqi bro.
Ubona depressed nyana wonke umuntu inside.
Yazi lonze apha abalungu badlala kakhulu ke apha kulena. Oh hide and seek.
Theni ngamina amachira ngabelungu.
Ijiki like iora lo bro. Inyasena ipower yobana tshero ngumlungu.
Nah. I done it for me, bro.
Okay. It's fine. We're not fit. We're so fun to proud.
Like nyaufaka bra like.
Taphe isibhuti ufanele futhi.
Kabuze le yasebhisha.
Okay, hayi nang.
Thini umbuzo wakho bra?
Amhlophe.
Nanam umhlophe xa ngumzulu.
Hayi
Okay, it's fine. But xa usize Eastern Cape ufuna kuze nento different.
Fona ikhali family yakho uvuse ikhaya
Amqhala ngumzulu Sean. Kuningisathi bani?
baninzi wazulu fona kunenhlala abazulu.
Xa usithi yabona xa usiqina nomlungu.
Ngabona belungu.
Kaloku. Mamela.
Cacisa bona themile fona.
Ngasamenzeni ba. Yela inoma kuyathandana apha fethu. Thona cherry yakho sekuye kwiphone.
Gibisela makhe fona kuba promisane ngoku.
Ngokone ngo live.
Ba man baby ara
Seka li depressed daily price. Hayi abonakala.
Inolichileyo.
Oh, hey.
Imali kapho kuyatsha qoka ikutsha sometimes. Oh, practice drill. Shout out. Okay, Jens, how do you feel about studying at Wits? Like, do you feel special?
Ne ora mfethu nyenzi.
Number 1 Africa. So
Yeah.
number 1.
To say fight.
Shut up, brother.
You city is the number 1, bro.
Kama hayibo.
Ayinhle liphona. The fountain. I clearly now. Okay.
You said you are a comrade.
Qhubeka no.
Batho nqokole nyinqoko.
Ngola about isikole.
We had comrades ngibani?
Thank you. Ithina. Yeah, and I said we had commerce when I was
Okay, go bashiya.
Okay, imana apha lo.
Kwenzekani? Okay. Indlela nawo sencane ya W. But imali apho can you swim or you can only you can't swim. Or real life fishing.
Fishes fake manzi.
Ungalamdi ndiyayicinga badela.
Cape Town ngabetha.
Azikhona Cape Town angiyazi AI pha.
AI we fish nakuxelene.
Cape Town fuck AI fish when idada phambi kwakho.
AI fish.
Like ilawe it is remote controlled. I cannot explain it far but ndiyazama. And chat.
Niphi kalo?
Can't complete chat but. Boy, Lena I know you
Panato.
Is it like a res or what?
mixed.
Yela kuhlela majana kodwa uthi sibhanile.
Mama mema. Ima busy. Razam, yeyiphi i-res namachira ntswimbu.
Okay, yeah, brother,
Ngiyafika so sifuna yaba siqonqonze
the Ritz is on campus.
Okay. Oh, outside.
You see the private accommodations. That's where you're gonna find like the property now.
Oh, like the
ngapha the rare bo.
Okay.
Yeah, the rare.
Okay.
Yeah, hlezi babona.
Okay, nani alo sanusifihla.
So yona le res yeah for ijel.
Kake ndala. Lapho.
Leza lapho ubona
Ubona Peter xa lapho abantwana bayakubhaqa bawe na ubhuti. Baqonyana.
Kwenzekani? Oh, so okay, sikhona isitulo lapha kule pond.
Oh. Okay. Wow, sisemovini boy.
Ajuicy.
On set.
And sinenuza yakho poison.
No.
Sinenuza yakho. Wish yakho lo. You acting mtaka le porn.
Welcome to wish. Sabi mic. Ina mnana. Welcome to wish ngoyebet.
Yenza out loud. Ndifuna uyiva.
Imtaka nje le porn for kwenza wish.
Hayi amaphupha ami hayi.
Come on, ama-30 yenza wish. Wenza out loud. Ndifuna uyiva.
Wow, fethu. No, at least.
Why?
Chini. Yayazi ufuna
full Ferrari, full Lamborghini.
Yabona John, ngifuna i-Benz for uSean ngoku
Sure poison, accepted.
Asibene Benz poison this year.
Sure poison.
Yo, uqala ngoshani.
Yima, I'm cooking. 2 Benz.
Sure. Black, matte black.
Izindlu Parklands, not apartment.
Yeah.
Houses. Ewe.
Oh.
Zikhona i-Camps Bay.
No. It's quiet. No, it's quiet. I know why I'm in Parklands. We know.
Yeah.
We know why.
Why.
2 houses in Parklands.
Sure. Mentions, be specific.
Okay.
Andifuni lo nto mna.
Yima, yes. Okay, go. Thengela icherry yami noba intoni eyifunayo. LV bag. Ba.
Andifuni LV bag.
Goyard.
Hayi Goyard ingathi iyabona.
Ufuna ephi?
Ufuna kaloku ndixeleze nithethe.
Okay.
Bima.
Bima.
Kaloku sesinazo ibhimazo.
Sesinazo imoto sozakhwela kuyo.
Chase higher.
Okay, ndifuna yami ke ndifuna i-Rolls Royce.
Okay. Man, imoto echerry endithanda yazi into.
Omoto funi.
Omoto
yabo baseka kongo.
Amacherry aqhubeza way. Mina ndiyeke ngiqhuba iMustang. Suka apha ecango kwakho. Landele emva kwami ndifike eqala wena ufike after hour.
Accuse ulibele imali wena ndazibona izindlu
no imali. Okay, ukick wethu. Boy masenze
cash out
$30,000. $30K this month.
Kaloku in dollars.
Okay. Yeah.
$30K this month.
Yeah. Please. Okay, and also I know I am big.
Focusing on what I'm saying.
Okay, uthi.
Ngakuyozabo like siyapusha aba kusuphumelele. Now
wena ukule part of the way. Bayenzekile le way inside.
Neke ngifuna uSean umuntu ayikho lelo.
Okay.
Wisha.
Thini boy.
Umuntu kaSean.
Why?
Umuntu kaSean ufuna uSean uthanda umlungu.
Yeah, why?
Umuntu angaphinda phose ngapha kwegate mina nami. Angaphinda phose ngapha kwegate. Ibe nomuntu omhlophe. Thank you.
Okay, Masami, because I feel like we shot too much.
Wisha Sean.
And it's nine wishes. Legends come from UJ.
Baqala khona iVits. Nosiqeda khona.
By UJ.
From UJ.
No, lectures or legends.
Legends come from UJ.
Legends.
Gents Kuni, UJ or Vits?
UJ kayak.
I take us serious my lord.
Usuke UJ wena?
Ndingwalapha.
And you lost it.
UJ working 20.
Yeah, sitsho nathi.
Oh, the boys were like
Vits mina.
Work UJ. I work.
CPUT alapha UJ.
CPUT, yeah man, you work ngene CPUT. You tab. Oh,
see, boys, like, how long are you guys planning to last before?
So, guys, the couple years up in life,
like he goes in his teeth. Yeah?
Hi, boo.
Oh, switching phones, you and you.
When you switching phone.
Wow. I think my mom
Wow, kusuke kufika ikake engayazini lisuka phi switch phone. Usuka phi nje.
Oh, we're gonna tunnel, boy. Hapo mnathi nayo kane.
Yima. Kaswele itunnel.
Sinayo nje hayibo.
Oh, boy, ngathi sistrato ngathi phone sehu like ikwindawo like ngase something sleep.
Yima.
Like bengicela isikole basesikolo fethu like.
Hayi.
Guys, when I do med school tomorrow.
Med.
Ngomso
I think
sine plans ngomso. Yathetha lo.
Fethu hayi bo. ne-S hayi buka
Joka nolo lingqondo.
akathweka
Joka nolo lingqondo.
okay mna face ngiqala ukuthi ubuso qala face I like face
Inhliziyo. Look at my head, man. Look at my head, le bra.
Kanjani personality.
Yena ikakazo never still.
Where are you going to end up? She looks
You know?
Football stadium. This is the exit to it.
You guys have a stadium.
digital dome.
Mina need digital dome.
Oh, Michelangelo. Oh, it's away.
Oh, interested. Yes, interested.
Yeah, I was interested. Yeah, you see, pull up your socks. Man. I swear. Ah, but it's still environment. Esa person is in love, boy.
It's always me.
Because in the swag is namachira green.
Hey, boy. Pet Mr. Prices came as in abo for you.
itheri ayimfuni umuntu
Ichera kuipera nga.
Personal.
itheri
Mama Kemer will speak.
PR.
maninzi andifuna la
Ba mna
Kutsho nje uthoswa.
lahliwe mina.
Lahliwe ne.
Only res in Africa.
only res number 1 res in Africa
Ithanda uthilo no.
Res yethu is the only res.
Oh.
Ba ungasearcha Google Men's Hall of Residence isabhala pha only res in Africa.
Zakuglazer
yaglazani zase-UCT faith I feel like yonke into inika title yo man ezala I feel like yonke into inika title so that ibe wow
Google nje.
wow
Uyibhani uyilenusa. Oh, iraider nga. So like nidlala rugby ni khef.
Siziqale esikhef.
Okay, apha like yaphi number 1 sport soccer rugby.
Irugby.
Soccer rugby which one is the number 1?
Irugby.
Rugby.
Yona baselwayo ni
Yeah, this is dope, man. Nina to play sports right now naziyeka.
basketball umdlala irugby. Umdlala ibhola.
Ephezulu uphexisa sport. Yeah? Uphexisa sport.
mina ngidlala sport
Dlala irugby.
ngidlala rugby
Galera was the best like the
hey hayi kanje hayi bo
Dlala rugby.
oh best rugby player
Yeah, up Wales.
apha SA fondini SA school
Ela le ayi no le ayo. The building section. Architect. Ngapha kukho iWest Rand.
hayi ngabe sokubonisa le res only res in Africa
Alapha iDalrymple House.
Inoni?
Best res.
Obuyona.
Dalrymple.
Dalrymple.
what
Pronounce gama lo nje.
ithini
Only important res.
Dan Ripple
Dalrymple.
Dalrymple
Dalrymple House.
Dalrymple house
Dalrymple house. Nosmandela befuna apho. Ebefuna Nosmandela le.
Yeah, watona yonke into zangaphandle.
nyani
Koka yozo.
Qhaba uMandela isikolo thina singobani.
hayi ezifuna apho hey hey
Zabantu.
yobani siyama so boy
Wathena siphozo. Ngidala kaloku.
Asuke ecaweni.
Uyathenga. Ukhona icawu yelo basekusane. Basecaweni. Awufisi.
hayi andifili ke ngoku andifili fake one xa ndiyabuya community church
mna kwethu yabo
yabo ke phaa iintwana zam ziyakramba
ubone
yabo
Khamba in the name of gospel like nina wenza iculo gospel. Jole jiva. Isuke cawelo. Balukile.
Yeah, this is the stadium.
Why is this isimnyama stadium sini cacisa nina? Uphela umbane. Fanele sen slide out the whole thing.
Masikeni apha siyophuma like nase oilers ne.
sasiphumeni ngoku yo
Asiphumeni.
Siyazophuma.
hela yabona ke makuzikolo mafethu ndandingasithanda isikolo ndandidinwa nje kuwalk esikolweni qonda akudala ndisesikolweni andikangeni naseklasini qonda akudala ndilapho
Iphi yona le Raider?
zezithu ezintsha wayiglazer le way fethu
South Africa suka.
Unosibande behlala kwaZirez. Unosibande behlala kwaZirez. Hayi inko khef mo. Fanele unosibande nakapha kuwe imali yami ngoku. Undloza manje nakumali yami. Uhlale phi yena uNosman?
Apho kumntu gowaya ne.
Yeah.
Ayabona pha ngafika ntwana ziyatshaya pha.
Into la elightayo yo.
Roller skates.
Apha kuyaguwa manje bapha abantu.
Wo alino yi-host party apha hey khayeke.
Sibakhona iparty enihostayo.
Last year. This host.
Yo.
Sithi also thi.
Okwasibulisa ngokuthi malume ngicela sijonga
Also.
Hayi manje ngicela malume.
Uthini also?
Uthi ngiqobizo like umalume noma?
Usicele.
Usicacise sulwa, usicacise.
Ngiyamnqanithe ndiyaphosisa uthi.
Kaloku
Ima uthini also?
Also
what?
Ngelela ngawo excel.
Hayi that feel la. Hayi that feel la.
Amasambe sothetha isireda ngoku.
Lingo yethu ka.
Lingo yalapha kwezi.
Also.
Are you well?
Also.
What's happening?
Also. Also.
My lord.
You are.
What's this thing you are doing?
He calls us here against a Apa sacrifice.
Fire.
Hey, pass this maneuver.
This guy's not clearing issues. You're not
It's
clearing
poor
issues.
this part.
Are you a freshman?
Such poorness.
I guess DC. Buisa.
Kumbalo. Mkhwalabelo no.
Also.
Mkhwalabelo.
Also. There's new one.
Suffer this one.
Imaso sisiyemolo ngehlo. Tekino yena.
Actually, Mike.
Yeah. Every camera in the elevator is a 10 and also escalators. Yeah. But siyapi siyaku grade all. Boy. I'll shoot kind of walk. You ask them to walk. I'm going to see you sit in the morning. Tonight, go on. Come in this.
Engineering students.
Oh, kafuna like usamunene lose e project and then we need you. Okay, sure. Okay.
Oh, shall I have my baby render though?
Uthe ni render. Icala mole. Silafa. Yeah. You be fast upon that. Okay, they're having the church session. That's cool, man. So it's to be like apple.
Dentist thing up.
Look at dentist. It's a Philly, so. Oh, my man, let Chinese take away. Tata la phone. Yeah, man, ngaba.
So.
Zikwale cameras.
Sweet Park.
You know the Sweet Park? Sweet.
Corner shop yethu.
Hey, you know? Yeah.
Slip up upstairs.
Students, they living the life, bro. They like play PlayStation.
To shop ni heso running up.
No like t-shirt. Thrifty.
Esikolweni.
Bo. Ipyo ivaliwe. Kuthenge akufela size. Standard Bank kwenzeni. Ufuna uvula ikhadi. Imo since bane branches esikoleni like akho loan abakunika yena for free nje ba. Loan. For like free.
Loan. Esikolweni. Loan for free.
Obayaza? Yeah. And kuyagcwala. Are like students allowed to drink alcohol?
Yeah?
Are students allowed to drink alcohol?
It's hard because bathengisa utshwala khona yinayo ngiphape ngapha.
Safe it's theater.
Oh yeah. Siyakwile in hall.
Yeah.
Okay, wanimnike yakho ngiqhubeka.
Wawuyazi le ivele TV le. Okondline yona siphi flag ke?
Hayi bi anniversary ngala xesha befakwe iflag.
Oh.